Hello, welcome again. We are covering the topic centrifugal compressor for civil services mains, IFS and GATE aerospace exam. So now we'll design the compressor taking suitable examples. So the first example is the following data are suggested on the basis for the design of a single-sided centrifugal compressor. Power input factor psi is equal to 1.04, split factor 0.9, rotational speed 290 revolution per second, overall diameter of impeller 0.5 meter, I tip diameter 0.3 meter, I root diameter 0.15 meter, air mass flow m 9 kg per second, inlet stagnation temperature T01 295 Kelvin, inlet stagnation pressure P01 1.1 bar, isentropic efficiency 0.78. Requirements are requirements are A, to determine the pressure ratio of the compressor and the power required to drive it, assuming that the velocity of air at the inlet is axial. B, to calculate the inlet angle of the impeller vanes at the root and tip radii of the eye, assuming that axial inlet velocity is constant across the eye of analysis. And C, to estimate the axial depth of its impeller channel at the periphery of the impeller. Now, question 2 is the extended part of it. Now, if we assume following additional data like radial width of windlass space 5 cm, approximate mean radius of diffuser at throat 0.33 meter, of diffuser throat 0.33 meter, depth of diffuser passage 126 cm, number of diffuser vanes 12. Now the requirements are A, the inlet angle of the diffuser vanes, and B, the throat width of diffuser passage which are assumed to be of constant depth. Assume that additional frictional loss in the short distance between the impeller tip and diffuser throat is small, and therefore that 50% of overall loss can be considered to have occurred up to the diffuser throat. C, calculate the Mach number at impeller tip and diffuser inlet, and also at the impeller tip or maximum inlet Mach number. Now if question number 3 is, which is also the extended part of previous question. Now if compressor is part of an aircraft engine required to operate at an altitude of 11,000 meters where the atmospheric temperature is only about 217 Kelvin, and assume that the speed of aircraft is 90 meter per second, calculate the maximum inlet Mach number at impeller. Now question number 4 is, if first case, now assume a free burn of 30 degrees and axial velocity at inlet 150 meter per second. Calculate maximum Mach number at inlet of impeller and pressure rise taking mean speed of the impeller I. Okay. So these are the 4 questions which form the basis for the design of compressor. Okay. So by solving these questions we will learn how to design the compressor and the basic point while solving questions in various exams like IFS, GATE aerospace and your civil services exam. Okay. So we'll solve these questions one by one, okay, in the next video.